Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet and cash out. So this is going to be a Phantom Wallet tutorial for 2025. So first of all, open Phantom Wallet on your mobile phone. Now this will open up this page where you'll be able to easily transfer your Solana. So you're going to see this page where you'll have to just click on the send option. Now choose Solana and it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to simply add the username or address of any of the wallets that you want to send this to. So I will simply open up Coinbase wallet. Now what I will do is click on the swap icon at the bottom. Now choose receive. Here you're going to search for Solana and your Solana address will be copied to clipboard. You can also click on the copy button and navigate back to Phantom Wallet. Then paste the wallet address that we just copied and click on next. So now you'll have to simply choose what amount of money you would want to withdraw from Phantom Wallet. After entering that amount, click on next and it is going to take you to a preview page where you'll be able to see the preview. Just click on send and your money will be sent successfully to the wallet. Now you'll have to simply navigate back to the wallet in which you have transferred the money. Then simply choose that specific coin that you had and click on buy and sell option and choose sell. Now on this page you'll have to simply click on the transfer option and choose withdraw cash. Now choose continue to withdraw and here you'll have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. After you enter the amount and click on preview, it will show a preview and just follow the prompts, and after following the prompts you would have successfully withdrawn your money from Phantom Wallet. So that is a simple way through which you can do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.